Serotonin is one of the most important brain chemicals you've probably heard about, especially in the context of mood and depression. But what exactly is it, and what does it do in your body? Let's break it down. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger that helps nerve cells communicate. It plays a big role in mood, sleep, appetite, digestion, and even how you feel pain. About 90% of your body's serotonin is actually made in the gut, not the brain. But it's the brain serotonin that influences emotions, happiness, and anxiety levels. When serotonin levels are balanced, you feel calm and stable. But when they're low, it can contribute to depression, anxiety, irritability, and sleep problems. That's why many antidepressants, like SSRIs, work by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. More serotonin equals better communication between nerve cells equals better mood regulation. But serotonin isn't just about feelings, it also helps control bowel movements, blood clotting, wound healing, and even bone health. Too much serotonin, though, can be dangerous. Serotonin syndrome is a rare but serious condition caused by excess serotonin, usually from medication interactions. In short, serotonin is a powerful multitasker in your body, and keeping it in balance is key for both physical and mental health. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more medical animations.